Hello, I'm here with the turbine Batmobile, and I just wanted to do a quick video on how easily this thing starts, because there's a lot of misnomers, a lot of fables out there that these cars, turbine engines, they're so temperamental, hard to start, and etc. I just wanted to show everybody how easy this is. So here I am. That is the main power cutoff switch. I'm gonna flip it on. That's fuel pump. I turn it on. That's the engine start button. I'm gonna start it. And as it spools up, I'm looking here. When it gets to about 20% or so, or a little less than 20, I'm gonna introduce fuel with that button I just stuck my thumb on right there. You can hear it. We don't want it above 1250 degrees. There it is right now at about 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And no, I do not need earplugs. So now that it's at up to 10,000 degrees, I'm going to put it here. Release the brake. It's hard to do with one hand. Brakes are released. And there we go, we're moving. No problem. Now we're going to pull it in the garage. Now, a big part for me wanting to do this video was to show people that, yeah, it's warm back here, but it's not gonna melt a car. It's not gonna melt the pavement. It's not gonna melt asphalt. I was standing there. Felt like my legs got a little warm. I stuck my hand down there and it was warm, but it's not unbearable. I built this with an outlet on the, let me show you this, an outlet on the exhaust system, or outlets, that actually gather, you can see them, that gather the air around and mix it with what's coming out. So that cools it down quite a bit. I would say it's coming out at probably, roughly 400 or 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It's like I say, it's not just so hot, it'll instantly melt your skin or a car or asphalt. I just wanted to clear up some of the misconceptions of this car, because a lot of people just, I guess they think that a small turbine engine is like a giant turbine engine in say Shockwave or something, and they're just not like that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry if it was a little shaky. It was hard doing all this stuff with one hand. Thank you.